Hey YouTube, just putting a new mirror on this 2008 Sebring convertible. Pretty straightforward. There's plenty of videos on this particular car, but they don't show much about taking these off. This is the old mirror. This is what it looks like behind it. What I did, I just took a screwdriver, carefully pried up on this, and it snaps off. One broke off there, as you can see, but I think it'll be fine. This is the new mirror. Does the same thing. You snap it off. It doesn't come off easily, so you got to be careful. You don't scratch things all up and break things, but it will come off. That way, you don't have to paint this thing. So, anyway, I guess everybody knows how to put these back on here. You just got the screws, and this particular car is pretty easy. This thing right here, it's got the two snaps in there. One of the metal snaps came off with the part, but as you can see, it just snaps off. That don't come off too easy either, actually, but it will come off. I just used a screwdriver. I guess if you had one of those plastic tools, that would be even better. But anyway, that's that. Then of course you got your plug there. That's what that looks like. Sorry about that. It's got a little punch thing on the bottom. It'll be on the bottom when you... Anyway, that's it. Thanks a lot.